Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in a Logitech K520 keyboard. What you'll need is two AA batteries. If you don't have any, be linked in the description below. And you also may need a flathead screwdriver just to help get the batteries out of the back. The first step we're going to do is we want to turn off the actual keyboard. So once you see the red light, you know it's off. Then we can flip it over. And on the back here, you'll see this plate. If we push in on these and pull up, this should come off. Then we want to take our batteries out. So we pull towards you. And this one's a little bit more tight. So we'll get this. Now we'll grab your new batteries. And if you want to put them in correctly, make sure the polarity is correct. Once they're in, we can take the plate. We want to align these tabs with the spots on the back. As they go in, push down. Once you hear them click, you're good to go. You flip it over. What we want to do is we want to flip the switch back on. Once you see the green light, you know it's good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you.